Welcome to our in-depth exploration of the banana and strawberry harvesting and processing journey. These fruits are some of the most consumed worldwide, and today, we'll walk you through every step of how they are grown, harvested, processed, and prepared for consumption. From the lush tropical fields to state-of-the-art processing plants, we'll uncover the fascinating processes behind the banana and strawberry industries. So sit back, relax, and enjoy as we explore the world of bananas and strawberries like never before. The global importance of bananas and strawberries. Bananas and strawberries are much more than just fruits we enjoy in our smoothies or breakfast bowls. Bananas are the world's most consumed fruit, grown in over 130 countries. They provide vital nutrients such as potassium, vitamin C, and fiber, and are a major export product in many countries, especially in Latin America. Strawberries, on the other hand, are loved for their sweet tart flavor and versatility in recipes, from jams to cakes. These fruits support the economies of many nations, provide livelihoods to millions, and are essential parts of the global agricultural industry. History of bananas and strawberries. Let's take a step back in time and explore the history of bananas and strawberries. Bananas are thought to have originated in Southeast Asia around 5000 BC. Their spread around the world was spurred by traders, and by the 19th century, they became a major commodity. Interestingly, the bananas we consume today are a hybrid between two wild species. Strawberries have an equally fascinating history. Native Americans were the first to cultivate strawberries, and they were introduced to Europe in the early 1600s. Over time, different varieties were developed, creating the sweet, large strawberries we enjoy today. The banana plantation, growing conditions and practices. Banana farming requires a warm, tropical climate with regular rainfall and fertile soil. Banana plants need specific growing conditions to thrive. These include the right balance of humidity, temperature, and sunlight. These plants also require a large amount of water. Each banana plant grows a single stalk and produces a large bunch of bananas, but it takes about 9 to 12 months for each plant to mature. Farmers have to be vigilant, checking for pests and diseases, which can devastate banana crops, such as the Panama disease that has impacted plantations worldwide. Sustainable farming practices are increasingly being adopted to preserve soil health and reduce water usage. Strawberry farms, climate and soil requirements. Strawberries thrive in cool, temperate climates. Unlike bananas, they require specific soil conditions and plenty of sunlight. Strawberry farmers pay close attention to factors like pH levels in the soil, as strawberries prefer slightly acidic soil. The planting season varies by region, but strawberries are generally planted in early spring. They are sensitive to frost, and careful management of irrigation is crucial during the flowering and fruiting stages. Growing strawberries requires a lot of care, from managing pests to ensuring optimal pollination, which is often assisted by bees. Interestingly, strawberries are not actually berries. They are classified as aggregate fruits because they form from a single flower with multiple ovaries. Harvesting bananas. Timing and techniques. Banana harvesting is a delicate process. Workers use machetes to cut banana bunches from tall plants, often climbing ladders or using special equipment to reach the bunches. Bananas are harvested while still green, before they reach full ripeness. This ensures they have the proper firmness to withstand transport. The timing of the harvest is crucial, as bananas ripen quickly and need to be harvested before they turn yellow. The bananas are then carefully handled to avoid bruising, and workers ensure the plants remain healthy for the next crop. Strawberry harvesting, hand-picking and selection. Unlike bananas, strawberries are hand-picked, which makes the process even more labor-intensive. Workers move through fields, inspecting each plant and picking only the ripest strawberries. A strawberry is considered ripe when it's fully red, firm to the touch, and has a sweet aroma. This careful hand selection ensures that only the best strawberries make it into packaging. The workers must be careful not to damage the fruit, as strawberries are delicate and bruise easily. Additionally, farmers need to harvest at the right time. Too early, and the fruit won't be sweet. Too late, and it could be overripe or damaged. Transporting bananas and strawberries. After harvesting, both bananas and strawberries face transportation challenges. Bananas are packed into crates or boxes that provide support during their journey. Given their size, bananas are often transported by large trucks or ships. However, because bananas are sensitive to temperature changes, their transportation is carefully controlled. Strawberries, on the other hand, are much more delicate and need to be packed in breathable containers to avoid crushing. They are often placed in containers lined with soft material to cushion them. Both fruits need to be transported quickly to processing plants to ensure they stay fresh. The role of technology in fruit processing. Modern technology plays a crucial role in the processing of bananas and strawberries. In some advanced facilities, high-tech sorting machines use infrared technology to detect the size, ripeness, and quality of each fruit. These machines can even detect small imperfections or bruising that would make the fruit unsuitable for sale. Additionally, washing systems use water jets to clean the bananas and strawberries thoroughly, removing dirt, pesticides, and other residues. These systems ensure that the fruit is sanitized before it moves on to the next stage in the process. Grading and sorting, ensuring quality. Once cleaned, both bananas and strawberries go through grading and sorting stages. Bananas are graded based on their size, color, and overall quality. High-quality bananas are packed in special boxes that allow air circulation, preventing them from ripening too quickly. Strawberries are similarly graded based on size, color, and ripeness. The best strawberries are selected for packaging, while lower-quality fruits may be used for other purposes, such as making juices or preserves. Sorting ensures that consumers only receive the highest quality products. The impact of automation in fruit packing. Automation is transforming the fruit processing industry, particularly in the packing stage. Robots and automated systems now assist in packing bananas and strawberries. In banana processing plants, robots are used to pack bananas into boxes quickly and efficiently. This automation improves the speed and consistency of the process, reducing the risk of human error. In strawberry processing plants, automated systems handle the delicate task of placing strawberries into containers while ensuring the fruit's safety. This also reduces the physical strain on workers, improving efficiency and safety. Packaging materials and innovations. Packaging plays an essential role in preserving the quality and freshness of both bananas and strawberries. For bananas, the focus is on creating packaging that allows for airflow to prevent the fruit from ripening too quickly. Strawberries are often packaged in plastic punnets or clamshell containers, which protect the delicate fruit from being crushed. In recent years, there have been innovations in sustainable packaging, such as biodegradable containers or materials made from plant-based substances, designed to reduce the environmental impact of packaging waste. The importance of cold chain logistics. Cold chain logistics is a vital part of ensuring that both bananas and strawberries remain fresh during transport. After the fruits are packed, they are transported under carefully controlled temperatures to prevent spoilage. For bananas, this usually means keeping them at a temperature of around 13 degrees Celsius to ensure they ripen slowly. Strawberries, on the other hand, must be kept cool to prevent them from becoming mushy. Cold chain logistics helps maintain the shelf life of these fruits and ensures they reach retailers and consumers at the peak of freshness. Sustainability in the banana and strawberry industries. Sustainability is becoming a major focus for both banana and strawberry farmers. In banana plantations, sustainable practices include the reduction of pesticide use, better management of water resources, and implementing organic farming methods. For strawberries, many farms are moving towards using fewer chemicals and adopting organic practices. Additionally, many farms are investing in renewable energy sources, like solar panels, to reduce their carbon footprint. The packaging industry is also evolving, with a greater emphasis on recyclable and compostable materials. Waste management and repurposing fruit. Not every banana or strawberry makes it to the final consumer. In both banana and strawberry processing, there is often waste due to imperfections, overripe fruit, or damaged produce. However, this waste is not discarded. For example, overripe bananas can be used in smoothies or baked goods, while damaged strawberries may be used to make jam, juice, or preserves. In some cases, the waste is also repurposed for animal feed or composting, helping to reduce the environmental impact of the industry. The future of banana and strawberry farming. Looking ahead, the future of banana and strawberry farming and processing is promising, with a greater focus on technology and sustainability. Researchers are working on developing new banana varieties that are resistant to diseases like Panama disease, which has devastated plantations. Similarly, scientists are experimenting with genetically modified strawberries that could be more resistant to pests and diseases, while also increasing yield. As consumer demand for sustainable, organic produce grows, the banana and strawberry industries are evolving, paving the way for a more efficient and environmentally friendly future.